Alright, YouTube, we're going to get started on this tonight. I just got a few minutes. I'm going to try to pull this deck off and maybe go ahead and drain the oil. I don't know, we'll see how our time's running. Get set up and get started on that. Belt loose, and then I've got to come drop these two bolts. I'm going to set the deck down first though. I'd be mighty proud if someone out there in YouTube land could tell me how a 7/8 bolt head has a 1/16 nut on the other end of it. That's pretty loose. I should probably be careful with it. When I hook that back up, I'm bringing help. That thing was a lot heavier than I thought it was, picking it up with that lift. But mine is a 9/16 square plate pipe plug in here. I don't know exactly what it's supposed to be. And it's in there pretty tight, and I'm getting ready to make a mess here probably. Vent it just a little bit, maybe it won't glove all over me. I just really need to clean that out too. I didn't realize it was that dirty. Mowing grass, I guess, will do that. Alright, so I know I should have run her and got her warm to do this, but it's going to sit here all night. I'm going to try to tomorrow, the next day come, and actually pull my oil pan, take it to school and borrow some equipment and wash it out. So since it's going to drain all night, I'm going to at least pretend that I'll get all the oil out of the motor. I'll drain the oil filter tomorrow also, and we'll let that sit. So I'm going to replug that, make sure it's not dripping before I move over. That's it for tonight, YouTube. Y'all take it easy, and I'll let you in on my next step sometime later this week.